Hello everybody, welcome to another show. Hopefully everyone is doing well today. I have a couple small coins, just some stuff to throw out. I was looking through some of the newer stuff and a couple things stuck out. Again, these are just things you can look at on your own. A little bit of, dust some stuff up and see what looks like it could go up a little bit. They may not be the longest term investments, but they do look like they have some short side potential. First one is Zipmex token, and this one's actually an exchange. It's an Asia Pacific exchange. It's big in Australia. Zipmex launches native digital asset token with the goal of rewarding loyal members with lifestyle perks. The token is ZMT. It's running at 92 cents. There's 200 million. $28 million market cap, $1.3 million in circulation. So if the exchange gets any kind of real serious volume going on, it's going to go up, and it has gone up. It's doubled in the 200% in the last 30 days. And it's Zipmex. It's an ERC20. Here's the address. Some more information, and here's the exchange. I mean, it's pretty standard, but it's out of Singapore, and yeah, it's just got it's got a low volume. I mean, a low market cap. This could easily 10x if people start using this. And I know that it has a lot of users in Australia and the Asia Pacific region in general. So something to look at possibly. What do you think? And as always, nothing on the channel costs you any money. The research is free. All of the videos are free and stuff. So really all you got to do is just subscribe, and then leave a comment. The comment doesn't even have to be anything coherent. It could just be mashed potatoes and gravy. That's all I need. That's all I need to know that you care. Alright. Warrior token. WAR. WAR. 189% in the last 24 hours. It's brand new, and yeah. So it's in the gaming industry, and it's Spartan Casino, and they have the Iron and the Warrior to know more. Click. So what is Spartan? Spartan lets you dive into a new realm of live dealer casino gaming with fun, fast, provably fair, and immersive iGaming experience. I dig the whole immersive iGaming. And this is on Ethereum. And they talk about their different partnerships, and this is the same. It's really new, so it's, take it with a grain of salt, but it's something to look at. And they have it mapped out with their pre-mined and everything for 2029, some halvings. War token, and it's the token on the Spartan Casino platform, and it allows the holders to access very unique revenue stream on the platform, and it's only available through the Binance Smart Chain. This one and the next one I talk about will be on Binance. Take that how you will. So here's Spartan, other blockchain casinos, traditional online casinos, and the differences. Instant gaming, sports betting. So you'll be able to bet on sports. That's cool. Rich live dealer gaming experience. Rewards-based proof of playing mechanism and access to new markets. Here's the roadmap. And they're in the development, mining. The token is out. Phase 2, we'll see Iron when that comes out. And then they'll start launching more games, live dealer games, live sports betting, and all of that by summer. So maybe keep an eye on it and see how it turns out for you. And here is Casino Spartan on Twitter. And it's basically a lot of the same kind of stuff. But, they're trying to get their gaming license. Lawmakers in Kentucky implements tax breaks for local crypto miners, and how, they talk about a bunch of different stuff. But it's interesting. I don't know. I thought I'd share it with you. And it's pretty new. What did we say? It was like a day? Yeah, a day. Next, we're going to talk about 3, but they all work together. We have Midas Dollar. We have Midas Dollar shares, and we have Midas Dollar bonds. So the Midas Dollar it wants to be pegged at $1. And we'll look right here. Let's see, where does it talk about? When the MDO trades above $1, the token supply will have to expand to push it back down to $1, and then the contract will allow the redemption of MDBs. So that's how the bond comes about. But right now, let's see, $5.16. It's up 74%. It's going all sorts, and we can see it's got a $6.3 million market cap with $8.4 million in the last 24-hour trading. It's got 1.234 million in circulation. You can get it on PancakeSwap, decentralized stablecoin with an algorithmic central bank. And it's 3 coins trying to drive the price to reduce the volatility, basically, is what I got out of the whole thing. You have 20 point, I think there was maybe more than that locked up. And now I guess a little bit less. This says $20 million locked up. That said 17. Here's your vaults. But basically, there's some really high percentages on here. I'm talking really high APRs. And I know they're not sustainable, but shit, it might be something to look at. So here's the Midas Dollar share, $8,466, up 33%. And this says there's only 1,388 in circulation. That seems like a terribly low number. $11.7 million market cap, 2.1 in the last 24-hour trading volume. Here's your address, Binance Smart Chain. And it looks like it's going to go up, got some potential to go up some more. Midas Dollar protocol, we talked about that. And this goes into like the Midas DAO fund and some other stuff. Again, all these links will be below if you want to dig in. I'm not here to deep dive and tell you what to do. Walk your hand, hold your hand, whatever. But I'm here to help. At least to dust off some of these and see if you guys find them interesting. And if you do, let me know. So here we go. We got the Midas Dollar. This is the MDO, $5.12. We have the Midas Dollar share. That's the MDS, $8,238. And the Midas Dollar bond, which is $27.20 right now. This you can't buy. These you can, but this I think it will be very soon. Established team, non-anonymous, ready and real use cases for MDO, algo, stablecoin with Midas ECO. And if we go to the team, let's see. I don't think it was on that one. It was on this one, maybe. Yeah, I don't remember, but it was on one of them. I remember seeing it. Banks. Total value locked. A couple $100,000, couple million. But look at these APRs. Bananas. 15,000. I don't know, man. You tell me. Here's the ecosystem. Alright, the final one, and this is the one I think I'm probably the most bullish on of the three, would be Inverse Finance, INV. It's $1,777. It's up 200%. It's brand new. There's only 100,000. There's 37,881 in circulation. $72.4 million market cap. $47.3 million in the last 24 hours. So this thing came running out of the gate with 70-something million dollars. Inverse Finance. Here is your your address, Ethereum address. It's a Uniswap basically right now. So Inverse Finance, deposit DAI, earn ETH. Inverse Finance is a protocol that offers passive, no-loss investments in any token by following a dollar cost averaging strategy using stablecoin yield, starting with ETH. Users deposit DAI and receive a vault token in a 1-to-1 ratio. The vault then invests DAI in a yield optimizer protocol such as YORN. Earnings are continuously swapped to ETH and distributed to depositors as long as they hold the token vault. DAI is withdrawable at any time. And it gets in a little bit more on some roadmap stuff. But here are the X on your Y. And these are your vaults right now. USDC, DAI, ETH, Yearn, Wrapped BTC. And they got pretty, 17.85. That's pretty good yield. Our next on your Y, inverse finance. Someone created a Uniswap pool in the very next block. Official token. So here's your. Don't get wrecked. Here's their official address. It looks like there may be a false INV floating around on Uniswap. So be careful of that if you're looking at this coin. Yeah. I don't know, some pretty cool stuff, I guess. It's mostly just, banter back and forth and fun little meme stuff and whatever, but there's some good information in these every now and then. Yeah, I'm digging I'm going to keep an eye on this one, I think, the inverse finance one. Being as new as it is, it's a little skeptical, but the market cap is pretty high for such a new coin coming out, and it's growing quickly, so we'll see how long I watch it. But, yeah, that's what I got, and again, like, subscribe. We'll try to come out with some better content. We'll, a little more video editing and stuff like that. Just really busy right now. I don't have the time for that. I'd rather just give you the content as it is. And, we'll work on the polishing the turd later. Alright then. Yeah, we'll church this thing up real nice for you guys. Cheers, everybody.